Hey, have a good day, folks. We got here a couple of different excavators. Let's talk about this Yanmar. It's a 2015 VL55, and it's a later model of the previous generation. And this machines, we got a brand new bucket, progressive thumb, and hydraulic quick coupler. And very tight machines and low hours in terms of age, 2,000 hours on it, and very good steel track. So here, most importantly, this machine we sell for only $28,000 with 6 months warranties. Nobody in this market give any sort of warranty for the used machines. Here, we are in the cab. Turn it on. It has 2,000 hours on it. So very clean inside out, and AC and heater works fine. Really good handling feelings on the handles. So it has a nice button for the thumb. So smooth. Japanese really make good stuff. No brainer.